A river is 80 feet wide and the depth d at a distance x feet from one bank is given by, this is the table. Find the cross section area of the river using Simpson's 1/3 rule. See, we can solve this by using Simpson's method. We know that Simpson's 1/3 rule formula is h/3 whole into y naught plus yn, means first value plus last ordinate, plus 2 into even sum of even ordinates plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates. Here this is the formula, so we can write simply h/3 into, here observe, here this is y naught, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. Now substitute those values in the formula. y0 plus last value is y8, so this is y8 plus 2 into sum of even ordinates. Even ordinates is y2, so this is the even ordinate star 1, this is also star 1, this is the star 1, so y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates, remaining one, y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus y7. Now we know that these values. Before that, what is the h? H is the width of the river. H is the width of the river. So therefore h is equal to width 80 feet. Substitute in the formula, that is equal to 80/3 whole into y0. Y0 value is 0 plus y8. Y8 value is 3. So that is the 3 plus 2 into y2. Y2 value is 4. That is the 4. Sorry, this is y2 value is 7 plus y4. Y4 value is 12 plus y6. Y6 value is 14 plus 4 into odd ordinates, y1. Y1 value is 4 plus y3. Y3 value is 9 plus y5. Y5 value is 15. y7. Y7 value is 8. This is the 8. That is equal to 80/3 whole into 0 plus 3. This is 3 plus 2 into, this is 7 plus 12 plus 14. This is the 33 plus 4 into, this is 4 plus 9 plus 15 plus 8. This is 36. That is equal to 80/3 whole into 3 plus 2 into 36. This is a 66. Sorry, 2 into 33, 66 plus 4 into 36. This is 144. That is equal to 80/3 whole into, the sum of these three is 213. Now 3 ones are 3 sevens are 3 ones are 3. That is equal to 80 into 71. That is equal to 5680 unit feet.